Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Zack Film's voice. Start by analyzing his pitch range, cadence, breath placement, and signature pauses, then collect short clips for reference and transcribe key lines. Focus on matching consonant clarity and syllable stress while practicing small phrases repeatedly. Record test takes, compare them to the references, and make incremental adjustments to delivery, timing, and energy until the voice feels consistent and familiar. To capture a similar tone, set your mic at a steady distance and aim for consistent mouth-to-mic positioning, then record multiple takes with slight variations in projection. Warm up with breath support exercises to control low-end warmth and reduce harshness, and keep room acoustics neutral with soft surfaces or reflection filters. Monitor levels to avoid clipping and save clean, labeled takes so you can A/B test edits and pick the most authentic performance. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support future updates and tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps drinks cold, has a secure lid, and slips easily into bags, perfect for long recording sessions when hydration matters. I use it between takes to stay focused and avoid dry throat, and you can find the link and extra deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. In post, start with corrective EQ to remove muddiness, then add focused boosts to bring out body and presence similar to the reference voice. Use a gentle compressor with moderate ratio to smooth dynamics while keeping natural transients, and consider parallel compression for added thickness. Apply a short plate reverb or a small room preset sparingly to emulate spatial depth. Then automate gain and timing to polish phrasing and maintain consistent vocal emotion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.